You just spent money on an oil change. You start your engine. Everything sounds fine. But in the next 30 seconds, you might be causing damage that will cost you thousands later. No warning lights, no smoke, no obvious signs, just silent wear. Happening inside your engine right now. And the scary part? Most people do this without even realizing it. Let's say you just changed your oil at home, or maybe you went to a shop. You get in your car, turn the key, and then you press the accelerator or you drive off immediately. Seems normal, right? Wrong. That simple action could be one of the worst things you do to your engine. First mistake, starting and driving immediately. Fresh oil in the bottle doesn't mean it's already protecting your engine. Right after an oil change, the oil filter may be empty and the oil passages need time to fill. Pressure needs a moment to stabilize. If you start the car and instantly drive off, those first few seconds can be the driest your engine will ever experience. The fix? Simple. Start the engine and let it idle for about 60 seconds. It may feel slow, but it's cheap insurance for your engine. Second mistake, not resetting the oil life monitor. Many drivers change their oil but ignore the maintenance reminder. It won't reset itself. And in modern vehicles, that system tracks your service history. Leave it unchanged, and your car thinks you skipped maintenance, which can affect resale value and cause confusion later. Reset it every time. It takes less than a minute. Third mistake, the double gasket problem. This one is dangerous because everything looks normal, until it isn't. Sometimes, when removing the old oil filter, the rubber gasket sticks to the engine. Then you install the new filter with its own gasket. Now you have two gaskets stacked together. That creates a poor seal, and once oil pressure builds, oil can leak out fast. Always check the mounting surface. Run your finger around it and make sure the old gasket is completely removed. Fourth mistake, installing the filter dry. A dry gasket can bind, tear, or fail to seal properly. And if the filter mounts vertically, installing it empty can delay oil pressure on startup. The correct way? Lightly coat the gasket with fresh oil. If possible, pre-fill the filter before installing it. This helps create a proper seal and ensures faster oil circulation. Fifth mistake, reusing the drain plug washer. That small washer plays a big role. It's designed to compress once and create a proper seal. Reuse it, and you risk a slow leak that can turn into a bigger problem. Always replace it. It's cheap and makes a big difference. Sixth mistake, over-tightening the drain plug. Tighter is not better. Over-tightening can strip threads, crack the oil pan, or make future removal nearly impossible. Use the correct torque if you have a torque wrench. If not, tighten it snugly, then stop. Seventh mistake, using the wrong oil. This is where people try to improvise and regret it later. Oil viscosity is not a suggestion. Modern engines rely on precise oil flow, especially with turbochargers and advanced systems. Using the wrong oil can lead to poor performance, increased wear, and even engine damage. Always use the exact specification listed in your owner's manual. Eighth mistake, draining oil while the engine is cold. Cold oil is thicker and drains slowly, leaving behind more contaminants. You don't need the engine extremely hot, just warm it up for a few minutes. This helps the oil flow better and gives you a cleaner oil change. And that's it. Your problem should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.